The National Mall is arguably America's most renowned green space, and with the challenge of hosting 33 million visitors each year, it may be the country's most tested turf, too. As part of a larger revitalization initiative, the National Park Service began planning a turf restoration project in 2010 and needed a forward-thinking irrigation design to bring a new level of water efficiency to this celebrated space. A highly efficient system that incorporated products and services from 19 Irrigation Association member companies was designed. Construction for this system was completed in 2016. Now, the National Mall is witnessing the power of smart irrigation. At the heart of this state-of-the-art system, a robust drainage network is connected to 4 250,000-gallon cisterns to collect and store stormwater. This water source feeds into an underground pump that delivers 1,400 gallons per minute of irrigation capacity. Designed to reuse as much runoff water as possible, the system only draws from the potable water supply when the stormwater cisterns are empty. Synchronized flow meters add potable water to the cisterns at the same rate it's being used, leaving as much storage as possible for heavy rains. Thanks to this smart system, over 40% of the property's annual water use is provided by storm runoff. At ground level, this sustainable water supply is used intelligently too. While valve and head rotors are spaced 85 to 90 feet apart to efficiently cover large center lawn panels, smaller rotors and sprays water small to mid-sized areas with precision. The two-wire system is centrally controlled from a remote location and connected to an off-site weather station, which adjusts watering schedules based on expected or measured precipitation. Plus, a Wi-Fi-based mobile app gives water managers the ability to monitor irrigation and make adjustments from anywhere, 24/7. This highly efficient system puts smart irrigation on display for millions of people every year, keeping one of America's most renowned green spaces looking better than ever before.